everyone, so now I'm going to perform the poem called Words Are Birds. Words are birds that arrive with books and spring. They love clouds, the wind, and trees. Some words are messengers that come from far away from distant lands. For them, there are no borders, only stars, moon, and sun. Some words are familiar like canaries. Others are exotic like the quetzal birds. Some can stand in the gold. Others migrate with the sun to the south. Some words dry, caged, they are difficult to translate. And others build nests, have chicks, warm them, feed them, teach them how to fly, and one day they go away in flocks. The letters on this page are the prints they leave by the sea. Thank you! Bye! Okay, and now I'm going to tell you all the things you need to show, do, or have when performing a poem. So the things are gestures, tone variations, facial expressions, then stage business, props, costume, set, stage movement, and voice projection. So gestures are the things you are doing with your arms, just what I'm doing right now. And then tone variations. So like in your poem there may be happy part, sad part, exciting part. So tone variations are when your voice, like for example when there is a happy part, like your voice sounds very happy, or when there is an exciting part, your voice sounds very exciting. And then when there is a sad part, your voice is very sad. So these are the tone variations. Facial expressions. So that are the things that you can see on my face. And like when there's a happy part, like there's the tone variation, like that you sound very happy, but also on your face you can see that you are smiling, so that means a facial expression is like a happy one, or maybe a sad one, so you can see it also in my face. And these three, gestures, tone variations, and facial expressions, all of these I did in my poem. Like my poem is mostly in the happy mood, but still I try to do the some of the tone variations and facial expressions. Then stage business. So I don't really have a stage business in my poem because it is not really needed in my poem. But stage business is when you are performing. When you are performing, you are doing something else, maybe cooking, reading, when you are performing. So that is a stage business. And in some poems, it is very important. Then stage movement. So stage movement is very important in when performing. This is just moving around, not just standing. And also eye contact is very important with the audience in real life. And then voice projection. So that is when you are increasing and decreasing the sound of your voice. And yeah, it is also important when performing. And then costumes, props, and the set. So I don't really have a costume in my poem because like it is not needed. But in some poems, you can make a very good costume that like for some poems it looks very nice when you have a costume. Then a set. So a set is like this is my set for my poem and it's not very interesting. But sometimes it is interesting if you're maybe sitting at a table in a restaurant or something. And Then props. So in my poem, I think you could see a lot of props, and they are very important. So in my poem, they are books, jumper, and a teddy bear. So these are all the things you need to do, show, and have when performing a poem. And like that's it. You also need to have a very good confidence when performing, so don't forget that. And thank you. Bye.